Hi friends, this video shows what is this night light eye protection and how to use it. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. First I will show you how we can enable it. Go to settings, tap on the settings app icon, go to display, go down. Here you can see eye protection. Under eye protection you can find night light. We can tap here and enable it. Then tap on this night light. Here we can see more options. We can schedule it to custom time, or we can say turn on from sunset to sunrise. We can also adjust intensity of the light. See, intensity we can adjust. Okay, so this would be useful if you are reading in dim light environment. It also make easier to look at your screen in dim light environment. So this would be useful in dim light environment. You can try this. So this way we can enable it. If you want to disable, you can just tap here and disable. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please take it.